Meet MagDisk, a groundbreaking portable SSD and PowerBank that's MagSafe and Qi 2 compatible. And MagHub, a 5-in-1 lightning-fast USB-C hub for your Mac and iPhone. MagDisk comes with up to 4 TB of storage. Unlock your iPhone 15 Pro's camera. Shoot stunning videos in ProRes 4K at 60 frames per second in Apple log encoding. Beating benchmarks set by Samsung T9, MagDisk boasts lightning-fast read and write speeds of over 2,000 megabytes per second. And with MagHub's SD, microSD, USB-A, USB-C, and optical audio port, you can now connect practically any device with your iPhone or Android. Equipped with USB 3.2, MagDisk and MagHub can handle data transfer speeds at up to 20 gigabytes per second. And doubling as a wireless power bank, MagDisk comes equipped with a 2400 mAh battery. Charge your devices with MagSafe for Qi 2 while shooting a movie simultaneously. And with Apple Find My integration, get left behind notifications and track your MagDisk right from the Find My app. Encased in a shock-resistant aluminum alloy design, MagDisk is resistant to drops at up to 9 feet in height. And with its industry-leading dynamic thermal guard, MagDisk automatically monitors and maintains optimal operating temperature for minimum performance drops. Universally compatible, MagDisk and MagHub work with your smartphone or your PC. Back MagDisk and MagHub on Kickstarter today and be the first to experience the revolution in portable storage, bringing professional-level filmmaking to the palm of your hands.